want to show you my rehabilitation glove. It has a great LED display, as you can see here, and it allows you to get complete rehabilitation on your hands, palm, or fingers. It's from Amazon and allows for targeted training for weak or spastic fingers on your right hand. The training manual will show you everything you need to know how to set it up and how to work with it. It's complete step-by-step instructions. It allows you to do rehabilitation on your fingers, whichever one you have a problem with. 1, 2, the whole hand, or the palm, whichever one you need or you have problems with. It has a touch display here, which you just turn it on, and it will automatically close and open your fingers however you need the rehabilitation. So if you want it just for 1 finger, 2 fingers, you can just uncheck those fingers and the movement will go just to the targeted fingers. You want to work only the ones that you need to. It's customizable, and it also has a heated function where it can heat your hand for facilitation of your treatment. Of course, you have to check with your doctor on how to use what you need to use, but it is awesome for rehabilitation on your fingers. It has a pause button so it could pause, and it has a save button so you can save the rehab instructions that you put into it, whichever fingers you want. It has this mirror function that has a USB port. You can charge it, and when you squeeze it, it has the function to squeeze and give you the same strength training on one hand as you have on the other one. It will work with your whole hand, your palms, and it's customizable to whatever one you need. This is the machine that is doing this. It's squeezing the hands, and its repetitive motion will work with whatever you need to. It has 2 different hand levels and stiffness levels, and you can program it on this LED display for whatever fingers, hand, or palm that you need. It's an excellent rehab training for your rehabilitation. I'm going to put it back on all 5, and you will see that all 5 fingers will move according to what I programmed. It can manually select the strength training that you want and the repetitive motion that you need to work on with your glove. This is an amazing tool. Check with your doctor. 3 different modes that work with you, whatever finger, palm, or heated. It has a Velcro fastener with the zipper, built-in zipper, so you can put it on and off, and it's easy to add or take away and tighten. Again, you can program it with heat, without heat. You can save it, you can pause it, you can work on any finger that you need, turn it on and off, and also with the timer. This is an excellent product, and once again, check with your doctor, but it is great training or rehabilitation for you at home.